Here we have a FL5 flex graphic printing press, currently under commissioning. This is a 5-colour configuration with rotary die finishing. This customer has gone for the ink chamber systems and pumps to enable to run at high speed without operators having to fill the ink trays. And here we have delivery of a Riestack non-stop stacker for the stacking of products after flatbed die cutting. Here we have our standalone 1.5 metre unwind with our inline flatbed die cutting machine, enabling the customer to take printed rolls of material straight into the die cutter for product delivery. Here we have another FL5 flex graphic printing press. This is a 2-colour configuration with a space for a customer's module and with rotary screen printing module. We also have an inline rotary die cut station which is fitted with our waste stripping module and our die station. And finished with our rewinder to give the customer the option to rewind to a roll of material as well as finished product.